I stopped preparing for government job examinations. I prepared for 2 years. And when I stopped doing it, it was the best moment as well as the worst moment of my life. अब बेस्ट क्यों वर्स्ट क्यों आओ बताती हूँ लेट्स डिस्कस द बेस्ट पार्ट फर्स्ट सो बेस्ट इसलिए बिकॉज आई हैड माई एंटायर लाइफ फिगर्ड आउट एट द एज ऑफ 21 or yeah 2021 or I never thought about anything else, right? Because in my head it was like I already had the job because I'm preparing for it, so I already have it, right? Now coming to the worst part. The worst part is the plan did not work out. I did not had any backup, and now it's like I'm starting all over again from zero, without any resources, without any knowledge, without any idea of where I wanna go. Like I don't have any single thing in this fucking head of mine that can tell me that what can I do now in life. And I know you guys must be saying or must be thinking that, oh shut up, you can do anything. So even my mind was telling that okay, I still have time, I'm just 22, 23, I can still manage things. But the mental exhaustion that it gave me, like my exam, like I my entire life figured out at the age of 21. Okay, so in my mind it was always like I was so happy. I used to be always on cloud nine since I was preparing. अभी तो लगी भी नहीं है. But in my head I'm already earning 80K a month and I'm already like a grade B officer, respectful in family, respectful in relatives and all of that stuff. So I never really thought of doing anything else other than that government exam. So that was the best part, okay? Because I'm not stressing like my classmates, like what, like like the things that they say that what I'm gonna do in life now, kya kare, ye to ho nahi raha hai, and how they are switching up between doing dad's businesses or like doing job or like mm, doing content creation or anything like that. I was very sorted when I was in college. फिर नहीं हुआ. नहीं हुआ. ये मैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में बताऊंगी कि क्या हुआ एक्चुअल में. तो worst part, coming to the worst part. The worst part was when I left the preparation. Now I don't have any resources. It's like I'm like starting it all over again. Now I'm on what do we call it? Now we are back to square one and I don't have any plan. I don't have any resources. I this fucking head of mine full of nonsense. It cannot give me any idea that what I really want to do in life. So I switched to job. I started doing MBA prep. I started doing like content building. I started my own like clothing store. But to be extremely honest, like when I ask myself, do I really want to do MBA? Do I really want to like I'm doing a job right now, but do I really want all of this? So I am unable to, you know, come up to a conclusion where like what I actually want. And that's the biggest problem right now for me. But ठीक है, it's okay. Now looking back at it, it feels like whatever happened happened for the best, and the life that I was chasing of a government servant, it was never meant to be mine, and what's meant to be mine is yet to come. So yeah, but this feeling of starting all over again in your 20s, especially when you're 23, and I am a planner. See, one thing about me, I will plan everything in advance, which I don't know if it is an advantage or not, but I planned everything. So now, being 23, I imagine my entire life to be very different from what I'm living right now, but it is what it is. And is this scary? Yes, it does feel scary every single day, but I feel like exploring is fun as well because now I'm earning. I have free will. I can do anything I want, be it business, and my mind, it gives me ideas every single day, like different ideas. And I feel like अगर वो हो जाता जो नहीं हुआ तो ये नहीं हो पाता. And I feel like this is much more important and this will going to serve me in the long run. So yeah, now if you're also someone who thinks that, like, who's like pivoting in midlife and who's also switching careers, or if any of this felt relatable, you can follow me along this journey, because even I don't know what I'm gonna do next, so even you can give me ideas. But yeah, abhi ke liye to I'm going to sleep.